This is Minato Namikaze's kunai being forged in real life. First, he heats the steel until it's glowing red hot. Then, straight to the anvil, hammering it down to form the base shape of the kunai. Next, he refines the blade, flattening and shaping the edges with precise strikes. After that, he cuts the outline and cleans up the form. Now it's grinding time, sharpening the edges and smoothing the surface. Then he works on the handle, shaping it for a perfect grip. After that, he makes the iconic seal at the end, one of the most recognizable parts of Minato's kunai. Everything starts coming together. He polishes every detail, assembles the full weapon, and just like that, Minato's legendary kunai is complete. Would you use this? Comment what I should forge next.